Hey everyone, this is Ray from usethebitcoin.com, where we keep you updated on the latest news and developments in the crypto world. Now, as per recording, Bitcoin has been consolidating about 8 days now since it broke out of its bear trend. All right, now let's try to draw a line here so it's clear. Okay, there. Now, if you're going to use your Fibonacci tool, we could see that Bitcoin is clearly sitting in the golden areas of our Fibonacci retracement. Now, these levels, okay, this part here, are very crucial for Bitcoin. To maintain its uptrend, Bitcoin needs to establish consecutive higher lows. Now, let me illustrate it to you, all right? Now let's draw a box here. Okay, now if you're going to look at this low is higher than this low, right? Okay, let's point an arrow. All right. Now this low also is higher than this low. Okay. Now, if you could look at it properly, this pattern indicates that we are still in an uptrend because we are seeing consecutive higher lows, right? However, if Bitcoin creates a new low lower than the previous one, then it could signal a potential trend in the market, or in short, a potential downtrend. All right. Now, if you're going to look at the chart, it seems like whales are actively playing as of the moment, as evidenced by the fast movement of these candles, right? It is slowly pushing the price of Bitcoin down here. Okay. Now, if Bitcoin continues to break its support levels, then many traders, including myself, could be liquidated. All right. Now remember that Bitcoin is the king of all coins. If its price falls, then most of the other coins will likely follow it. All right. Now taking a look at the MACD or the MACD, and if you're going to shift it in the 4 hours time frame there, we can see that we are entering a negative momentum territory. What do we mean by that? The blue and the orange lines are slowly going downwards, all right, in this level here. Now, that is indicating that the bears are slowly gaining its momentum. Now, despite this, I am still very hopeful for a bounce from these levels, okay? Especially that we are considering the previous bottom that we've seen here. All right. I'm thinking of having a double bottom in these areas here, but yeah, let's just observe. Now, while this move is very painful for leverage traders, it presents an active opportunity for long term traders or investors to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. This is still a developing story, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and our newsletter because we will send news and updates directly to your inbox. All right? Now, thank you so much again for watching and see you next time. This is Ray signing off.